Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Well, welcome back if you are returning, and welcome if you're a newbie. Oh my god guys, I'm so excited. Can you tell? So this is going to be a bit different. It's going to be a hair tutorial and achieving this cute little cheap but very easy look, guys. I think it's just like very chic. So if you guys want to know how I achieved it and you want to get this look, just keep on watching and I'll check you in my next one. Okay guys, let me get started. Oh, guys, it was so painful washing and blow drying this hair. I swear, I just wanted to cry half the time. But yeah, this is my semi-natural hair. Basically, I've been relaxing 10 months, so it's really scruffery, if you know what I mean. So yeah, let me get it up top. I just blow dried it again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this, put it in focus, this beeswax. It's not focusing. Whatever. I'm gonna use this beeswax. I free true from clicks. Right. But yeah, I think I should do that. Okay. Let me get it together. Let me get it together. So I'm gonna be looking down because my mirror is here. Alright. Can you see me tearing up? It's so painful. Oh, why am I doing this? Now I'm gonna be using some eco styling gel, and it's the olive oil one. I got this at Clicks as well. Alright, let me open that. Now what you want to do is also just, finesse it. Finesse it in your hair. Everything is just painful. Painful! So we're getting it closer and closer. Guys, this is a workout. No joke, this is a workout. basically that's as flat as I can get it for now. Now I'm just combing out my actual ponytail. Right, now we're gonna move on to the edges. The edges. I think that's like everyone's favorite part right now, these days. So basically, all I'm gonna do is grab a fine tooth and I'm just gently okay, so now that we've basically put everything up, now we're just gonna edge up our edges. Just put a little, again with the Eco Styler, that's what I use. And I work on one side first. I just feel like it doesn't, you know, much there, but like you're just able to control it more. Okay, just take the excess and put it in your hair. And then, yeah, after that, we're obviously gonna tie a silk wrap, scarf, whatever, as we call it in Mzansi. Just tie it as tight as you can, you know. Alright, now onto the ponytail. So what we're gonna do is basically the best way is to leave your hair straight out, but to get it like in a thinny form. Alright, so I'm gonna use the gel again and again and again and again and again. Brush that out in there. Okay. I think ons goed is. We're good. So what I'm going to be using is Expression, and it's Ultra Braid Color 1. So I probably should have used like Color 2 a little bit. This is what I had at home. Yeah. This is how it looks in the packet. You don't need, you know, fancy things. Fancy schmancy. You don't need fancy schmancy. I said you don't need it. You don't need it. Go in with the braid, the Expression braid. Now what I did is I brushed it out. I think it's just going to be easier to work with, you know. Now I'm going to take some of the beeswax and actually, you know, tussle where I can, just to make it a bit smoother and also easier to work with. So now, using the loop method, all I need to do is to basically hook it onto my ponytail, my actual ponytail, if that makes sense. So be careful, because you see, girl, because how I like this, you know, because basically you don't want to use too many elastics. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split it the way it's been split, right? The donut, it's so long and things are falling. So I'm gonna split the hair as well, my real hair. Now what you want to do is you want to mix it with, you know, the braided hair. And now we twist. You twist, twist, twist. Now you want to like over twist it, if that makes sense, so that it does that boom, you know, so it's not like a perfect twist, like it has like a kink in the twist, you know. That's how you're gonna get that rough edge. There we go. We are getting somewhere. Alright guys, and I might be celebrating prematurely. Now I'm gonna grab a bobby pin and secure this one in place. Ooh, messy, honey. So you're just gonna tuck it under, and then we grab the bobby inside. There we go. Now we're obviously gonna take the other half and just repeat. Repeat, mommy gal, repeat. It's so simple. Because you don't want to obviously hurt yourself. But you also don't want to unraveling. Oh Miguel, I think we are almost done. Okay, now what we have to do is I think our edges are set. Yeah, these you want to wanna okay, I think I'm good with the edges. We can definitely shine up the hair a bit. Just add some more gel. So, okay, the lighting just changed. Guys, this is the final look. Like, obviously we'll get that to dry a bit, you know. And then to finish off, I'm gonna use a goodie but an oldie but a goodie, ISO Plus for some shine. You know, it always smells good. I used to be obsessed as a child. Anyways, so Bongani, fellow mates, this is it. Take a better look. Obviously this will dry out, you know. So this is my easy peasy top knot, you know. And like, because we didn't cut the hair piece, you can basically use it again if you're gonna have braids. It's just to untie it, obviously, and I just used 2 pins. How simple was that, guys? Let's be honest. Put y'all on her. Alright guys, I'll check y'all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you next time, baby.